Hey everyone, welcome back to Cloud Sutra. Today we are excited to share another two exciting opportunities in the tech industry. First one is from Maskoid Technologies, based in Gujarat. Is seeking a networking, admin, IT support, DevOps engineer to join the dynamic team. This role involves managing cloud computing, implementing CI/CD pipelines, and maintaining servers. If you have a background in IT or related fields and 6 months to 1 year of experiences, or even if you are a fresher and skills in the server deployment methodologies, IT support, and DevOps tools like Git and GitHub, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Apply now for a chance to work in a fast-paced, innovative environment with excellent infrastructure and flexible timings. Secondly, from CloudSEK, a leading cybersecurity product company headquartered in Bengaluru, is offering an SDE Backend Intern position. This role involves collaborating with the deployment team to design, develop, and maintain backend systems for their cybersecurity products. If you are pursuing or have recently completed a degree in computer science or a related field, possess a strong programming skills like NodeJs or Go, and have a passion for cybersecurity, this internship could be a great fit for you. Join CloudSEK's energetic team and contribute to building cutting-edge AI technologies for threat detection and resolutions. Don't miss out these fantastic opportunities to grow and excel in tech industry. Apply now and subscribe to Cloud Sutra for more updates on exciting tech roles and opportunities. Thank you. Have a nice day.